Have you accidentally deleted important files, emptied the recycle bin, or even formatted a storage device and thought everything was lost? If that happened to you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your lost files step by step. So let's get started. First, open the link in the video description. It will take you directly to the official RecoveryFox AI download page. RecoveryFox AI is a simple and intuitive data recovery tool that helps recover lost files from a wide range of storage devices, including HDDs, SSDs, USB flash drives, SD cards, TF cards, digital cameras, and more. When you open the download page, the download should start automatically. If it doesn't, simply click Restart the download. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder, then double-click the installer. Click Yes. Select your preferred language, then click OK. Click Next. Click I agree to accept the license agreement. Leave the default installation location unchanged, then click Install. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once it's finished, leave the Run RecoveryFox AI option checked, then click Finish. Windows may ask for permission one more time. Click Yes. The software will now open. This is the main interface of RecoveryFox AI. As you can see, the interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Here you'll find all the storage devices currently connected to your computer, including internal drives, external hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, SD cards, and other supported storage devices. You'll also find quick access options for scanning the recycle bin or your desktop. Before we begin the recovery process, let's perform a quick demonstration. Inside this drive, I have a folder containing several important files, including family photos, a video, a PDF document, and a few additional documents. Now I'm going to permanently delete this folder. As you can see, the folder has been permanently deleted. Now let's recover it. Back in RecoveryFox AI, simply select the drive where the files were originally located. In my case, it's this drive right here. Simply click on it. The software will immediately begin scanning the selected drive. You may briefly see a message indicating that the quick scan has finished. This is just the initial scan. After that, RecoveryFox AI automatically continues with a deeper AI scan to search for additional recoverable files. Depending on the size of your drive and the number of files it contains, this process may take a few minutes. Now let's wait for the scan to finish. The scan has now completed. To view the recovered files, expand the Quick Scan section. If the original folder structure is still available, you'll usually find your deleted folder listed here. In my case, here's the folder that we deleted earlier. If I select it, the preview panel on the right immediately displays all the recovered files inside that folder. This allows you to verify that everything has been found before starting the recovery. You may also notice that some files appear more than once. This is completely normal. In some situations, RecoveryFox AI can detect different recoverable versions of the same file, giving you additional recovery options depending on how the file was modified before it was deleted. If you can't find your files under the Quick Scan section, don't worry. You can also check the AI Scan section. Here, recovered files are often organized by their file type instead of their original folder structure. This can be especially helpful when recovering files from formatted or damaged storage devices. You can also use the File Type view to quickly organize recovered files by category, such as photos, videos, documents, PDF files, and many other supported file formats. This makes it much easier to locate specific files, especially when recovering a large drive with hundreds or even thousands of files. Now let's recover everything. You can either select individual files, or simply select the entire folder. I'll recover the entire folder. Click Recover. Now choose where you want to save the recovered files. As a best practice, avoid saving them back to the same drive you're recovering from. Saving them to another location helps prevent overwriting other recoverable data. In this example, I'll save everything to my desktop. Now simply wait for the recovery process to finish. And that's it. The recovery has completed successfully. RecoveryFox AI automatically created a folder containing all the recovered files. Let's open it. Here are the recovered family photos, the PDF document, the video, and the remaining files. Everything opens correctly. This confirms that the recovery was successful. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional features that are worth knowing about. If you accidentally deleted files that are still in your Windows recycle bin, simply click the recycle bin option. RecoveryFox AI will automatically start scanning for recoverable files. Once the scan is complete, you can preview the results. You'll also find the desktop option on the main screen. This option is useful when you're not sure where your deleted files were originally located. No matter which location you're recovering from, the recovery process always follows the same simple steps. Select the location, wait for the scan to finish, preview the recovered files, and click Recover. As you can see, RecoveryFox AI makes the recovery process simple and straightforward, even for first-time users. If you'd like to try RecoveryFox AI yourself, you'll find the official download link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.